one of the three, extract a component. This gallery component contains some very similar markup for two profiles. Extract a profile component out of it to reduce duplication. You need to choose what props to pass it. They have asked us, to extract a profile component out of it and to reduce the duplication. So basically what happened is that they have created two sections with same kind of information here, profile 1, profile 2. So what they're asking to create a profile component and use that instead of writing the code again. What I did here, I created an array of an object with all the scientist information like name, image ID, what profession, what's award number, what's the award, and what's the discovery here, and the size, image size. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to create profile function or profile component to say. I'm going to write profile function, profile. Here in curly braces, I'm going to create a return statement which has segments in them. Awesome. Now, this segment or fragment will have whatever we have for sections here. So I'm just gonna cut this, gonna add it here. Okay. And I'm gonna open this and remove this as well. Bye-bye. I'm gonna add a profile here. Okay. And I'm gonna add profile here as well, so we are not repeating the code. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna send a props here. So I'm gonna write a size here. I'm gonna send size here. Okay, and I'm gonna send another prop called scientist, and I'm gonna send my scientist. What is the name of an array? We are using scientist. Okay, so I'm gonna do this and add 0 to this. Okay. I'm facing some error. Let's see what. It's working, but not sure. Okay, same thing. I'm gonna copy this here. Control C. Gonna replace it here. Instead of 0, I'm gonna add 1 because this is the second scientist I'm gonna say. Here I'm going to set my prop as size and scientist. Okay, now first thing first, the name will be getting from scientist. So scientist dot name. Okay, and of course it should be in curly braces to get the data. So I got Mary Sakudavaska curate scientist. Okay, this is really weird. I'm not sure why it is not able to take this, curly braces. I'm just gonna add an ID here. Cool. Then in alt image, I'm gonna remove the text here. Gonna add scientist dot name. Width, I will write size. Okay. Profession, I'm gonna add it here as well. Scientist dot profession. Awards, I'm gonna add as scientist dot award number. In here, I'm going to add my scientist.award. Okay. Discovered. I'm going to add my scientist.discovery. So as you can see, now we have the same card, just we have segregated our data here and we are using props. So this is how you can use props in your different components. Awesome. Let's see the second challenge here. So where did the challenge go? Yep. Second challenge, okay. Adjust the image size based on a prop. So in this example, avatar receive a numeric size props which determines the image width and height. The size props is set to 40 in this example. However, if you open the image new tab, you will notice that the image itself is large to 160 pixel. The real image size is determined by the thumbnail size you're requesting. Change the avatar component to request the closest image size based on the size props. Specifically, if size is less than 90, pass S. If it's rather than big to image URL. Verify your changes by rendering avatars with different values of size props. So here you are getting two. Okay. So basically what they're trying to say is the width and the size of the prop is set 40 in this example. However, if you open the image in a new tab, you notice the size will itself become larger, so 160 pixel. So let's do that. Let's open this to a new tab. So, okay. Oh, okay, so this image will always be 40. If you open the new tab, you will notice the image itself is larger than 160 pixel. Okay, where did it go? The real image is determined by the thumbnail size you're requesting. Okay. Change the avatar component to request the closest image size based on the size of the prompts. Specifically, if size is less than 90, pass S. So, okay. So the person name is there, person image ID is there, it's small. Okay. So, is that it? I'm sorry, I did not understand the question. Change the avatar component to request the closest image size based on a size prop. Verify the changes by rendering the avatar. Okay. So basically what they are trying to say, even if I increase the size of this, like 120, what is the issue? Okay, so basically what happened is that even though I'm sending 40 here, the image size is big. I don't want that. To do that, what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna check if size is greater than 90, then thumbnail, I'm gonna create a component here. Thumbnail equal to B, else, oops, thumbnail equal to S. So this will be your thumbnail. Okay, now suppose if I add another avatar here. So let's create another avatar. Let's grab it in your fragment. Okay, add it. And now if I change it to my 120, I can have two different thumbnail sizes. So this is our second challenge. Third one, let's see. Extract a card component from the markup below and use the child props to pass different JSX. So we have a profile with div class content, okay, and this is the image avatar. Card content is this is how it is being shown, and about is there. Okay, so let's do this as well. Props one are a little tricky, I would say. Yes, definitely. Just fork this one. Cool. Close the file system here. What we're gonna do, we're gonna create here a component function with the name card. So the C, it should be capital. It's a component. Gonna keep it here. Okay. It will have children props. Okay. And in return, I'm gonna add here. Awesome. Now I'm gonna just, okay, this is my card, this is my card content. So I have two card contents. One is the photo one, okay, and the another one is the, okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create here, copy these two, Control C, Control V, here I'm gonna close div, here I'm gonna control the next div, here I'm gonna do my children, okay, and I'm gonna remove this two here. I'm gonna add my card here, close it here. No changes we can see because I'm now not repeating it. Same thing I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna create a card here, tag, and close it here, I guess. Yep. And this is how you can add, children. Okay, we are done with the challenges as well. So this is how you can use props. It's pretty informative, I would say. How to use different types of props. We read how to read a props, pass a props, access it, modify it, stuff. Now let's see the other parts as well. Thank you for joining. It was lovely teaching you all. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye bye.